Hi guys, Imagen TV, episode number 34 or 12 of season 2. I was supposed to speak to you about the result of rejected photo by stock agencies. I am not doing it today because I didn't receive all the result. It may take a while depending of where you send it. I sent it to Dreamtime, Alamy, iStock, Adobe and Shutterstock. When I get the result this week, hopefully I'll get everything, I'll pick the pictures that were rejected by all of them. And we'll look at the picture that were rejected, why, and I'm doing tests with them too. And after that we'll look at each platform and see which one might be better for you guys. My goal personally will be to try to get 500 new pictures in probably most of the libraries every year. That's not a lot. I might go to 1,000 depending the rate of acceptance and their platform. If it's too hard to fill the requested information on the platform, I might just work with the one that are easier to work with. Today we'll speak about two things. I spoke about the colors because that's very important in the stock photography, and to make sure that your color are perfect, you have to make sure that your monitor is calibrated. This one is a BenQ, doesn't really need to have that done, but I do it anyway. But if you have a laptop or you go on holidays with a different computer, this is very practical. It opens in the back like that, and you just position like you download the software to go with it, and they tell you where to position that on the monitors, and they tell you what to do, and it check all the colors. This one is it's a cheap. It's not that cheap. It's around $200 Canadian. It's the Spider 5 and it's from Data Colors. But I really like this one because it's small. It goes with all laptops and all monitors. It works with every one of them. Means that's, you know, something to think about, because if you don't know if your color are accurate, it can become a problem when you send your picture. For sure, when you have a sky and you know it's blue, it's blue. But another problem too is if you don't see your color accurately, you don't know if they are too saturated. And that's one of the major problems with the artifact from JPEGs. That's why you have to shoot RAW. But the color saturation sometimes is just amazing, the difference in between one monitor and another. And I'll show you that. I'll show you how to look at that and how to solve the problem with, this is my part 2, with Adobe. And we'll go and look at that. And if you have any questions, just let me know. Okay, we're now in Photoshop. I'm going to open one file that I know has gamut problem. And it's a raw file. It looks pretty good. On that, like I say all the time, you remove chromatic aberration and enable profile correction. That's the first thing I do. Not going to do too much with this one because I'm going to just show you the gamut problem. To get my white balance, because I know this is gray, I just click on this. Or you can bring a gray card, but you know, I never have time to put it down. But I know that the red here will be a problem for sure, maybe the green. We'll just open the image and look for it. Okay, first of all, layer, duplicate layer. I never work on the background layer, always on the copy. Okay, you go up, view, gamut warning. See, it's not as bad as I was thinking. I'll just increase the saturation just to show you. If you open, like, okay, that will be better. Okay, layer, merge down. Okay, let's see, this is your oversaturate picture. You have two ways to solve this. Okay, first of all, you can go here and go to the vibrance. And if you click on the mask here, you have select and mask color range
or invert. You go to color range. And now you have a choice of color that you want to check: highlight, mid-tone, shadow, skin tone, or out of gamut, and that's the one we want. You click OK, and now you can play with your vibrance or your saturation to take it out. But now you're taking all the color out at the same time. This is not my favorite choice, but if you have only one color, it doesn't take too much time and you can do it that way. The other way to do it, you go to your hue and saturation. You click on your mask, color range, same thing, you put it at out of gamut. And your mask, as you can see, will have your out of gamut there. You don't even have to do anything. Now you can go with the color that you want to take the gamut out. Like if I go here, it will take the gamut out only where you have problem, not anywhere else. Flick it on the blue, same thing. It won't touch the sky, nothing else, just this part. Same thing for the red. So it doesn't touch my house or anything. Sometimes it doesn't take everything out, and that's okay too. Like, it's not, you don't have to take everything out, but know that if you look at something and it's have a lot of gamut alert on it, you have to do something about it. As you can see, if I take that out, mine is kind of magenta or pinky color. You can change that color as you like. You go to Edit, Preference, and you have Transparency and Gamut. You press on this, and this is my color, but you can change it for anything you want. I like that color because I don't have that kind of color often in my picture. That's why I'm using this one, but whatever you like, you can put it there, and that's the only way to see it. That's it for the gamut, guys. I hope that can help you to understand a little bit why some pictures are rejected.
Okay, I hope you enjoy this week. If you have any question or comment, just put them down below. Next week we'll hopefully have all the results from the different agency that I sent the picture to, and we'll look at what was not accepted and why. Have a good one, and we'll see you next week. Ciao.
Enjoy your day, and ciao ciao.
¡Eso, Dian!